Good afternoon. So I just wanted to kind of highlight one of my favorite enhancements so far with FSD Beta v11.3.1, which includes a bunch of lane change improvements. So historically with Navigate and Autopilot on this specific route, I'm actually on 494 here, going 494 east, going towards St. Paul. The car has to get over in about 1.5 miles or so to exit and go on Highway 5 or whatever. Right where we just passed is where it would start trying to get over, if not even maybe a 1/2 mile back. And the problem with doing that is you have cars coming that are leaving, exiting, and entering 494 from that area. So it causes a lot of issues, right? You end up being stuck behind slower cars, and it's just kind of messy. So you usually want to stay in the left 2 lanes if you can until you pass through that section. And because of the different lane change functionality that's in version 11, the car now waits till about a 1/2 mile. So rather than 2 miles to 1.5 miles to make that final lane change before the exit, the car now waits about a 1/2 mile, and we're just about there. You should see right around then. There you go, right there. It just hits 1.5 miles, and then it gets over and makes the lane change. So I know if traffic is a little heavier, it can be a bit too late. There needs to be some calibration of this functionality, but overall, I much prefer it waiting closer to the exit to make that final lane change, just because you end up getting stuck behind a lot of slower cars with the old approach with Navigate and Autopilot. So again, overall, I see a lot of positive steps forward with version 11. Looking forward to seeing some of the enhancements get mature a bit with the future minor releases.